Okay, we've got a probability question here, and we've got a bunch of cards, 3 blue, 7 green, 1 white. 2 cards are taken, so that means they don't get replaced in the pack, and we're going to have to work out the probability that he takes 2 cards of different colours. So I've detailed the pack here, 3 blue, 7 green and 1 white. I'm using yellow instead of white, but that should make no difference. Okay, now there's a big trick here. We need to know the probability of picking cards of different colours. So to do that, we would have to do 1 route, 2 routes, 3 routes, 4 routes, 5 routes, 6 routes, and work out the probability of each of those 6 routes and add them together. Because the rule generally with a probability tree is you multiply going in a horizontal direction along the branches, then add the combination of results you're interested in at the end of those branches. But there's a trick. If we just concentrate on the 3 branches where he picks the same colour, in other words 2 blue, 2 green, 2 yellow, and take that away from 1, we will get the probability we want. So the probability of picking the first blue is 3/11. And we're multiplying that by picking the second blue. Now, we've picked a blue, so the number of blues to choose from has gone down by 1, and indeed the number of cards in the pack has gone down by 1. Similarly, green, 7/11 to start with, and we multiply that by 6/10. The probability of picking 1 white card is 1/11. But now we've picked that card, there are no more yellows left. So this would equal 0. This is 42/110, and this is 6/110. So adding these results, the probability of the same colours will be 48/110. So therefore, the probability of choosing 2 different colours is equal to 1 minus 48/110, which is 62/110. And that is your answer.